In today's video we talk about mirror pickaxes. First go to modified tools. You will see mirror option there. Here mirror pickaxes, or you can use the shortcut key mm. How we can do the mirror? For example, I have to mirror this object to this side. So first you select this object, select the mirror mm, click on the middle of the axis, the object will be created like this. Suppose you want to see all the object in this mirror, so it look objectively the same in the opposite side. Then you have to, if you want to mirror all these objects, you have to select all these objects. First you have to select all these objects, then click on the mirror, click on the middle of this axis. You will see the mirror of all the selected object has been created. In this way you can create the mirror of any object. Next, suppose if you want to create the mirror of this door, you want to place here, so click on the object door, click on the mirror, or you can use the shortcut key mm, then click on the middle of the axis. The door will be created, the mirror of the door, this door will be created. If you want to create this window to this side by using the mirror, first you have to select the object, then click on the mirror option, then click on the middle of this axis. You will see the window has been created. Suppose you want all this room to be created, so select all the room, go into the mirror, and you just click on this middle of the axis. You will see another room has been created. In this way you can use the mirror object to create the objects. Thank you.